What's up guys, Moorelow here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install some aftermarket taillights for your Civic Sedan. I got mine from a guy named Boosted Whips Official on Instagram. In the description I'll put his Instagram name so you guys could check him out, hit him up. So maybe if you guys want to, buy these taillights. And I apologize I didn't get a full install of the taillights and stuff. I kept losing sun and stuff the day I actually installed it, so I wasn't able to do a whole install video, but I'll show you exactly how to install them and stuff and what you'll need. So let's get to it. So all you're gonna need is some electrical tape, a screwdriver. If you have one that's a screwdriver and a flathead, that'll be perfect, and 10mm ratchet with an extension on it as well. Also, just be careful with that bolt that's inside here, that 10mm nut. That might fall down here and it's going to be a problem to get that, so just be careful with that. Other than that, it's pretty much an easy install. I'll show you guys right now exactly how to put your aftermarket tail lights in. So these are the tail lights, and then you're going to have one right here on top of the trunk as well. So all it is these two screwdriver bolts. It's one here, one here. Just want to take those out. There's going to be two pins, one here and one here. And what you want to do is just push this out, just like that, and everything's pretty much plug and play. All your OEM connectors will plug into the harness for the tail light and stuff. This right here will be your power that's going all the way up to the trunk light. I put that in through this plug here. I ran the wiring through this, inside of this panel, ran it up right up through here to the trunk. I electrical taped everything and then ran it all the way up into here. So for this light also, you're gonna have these two 10mm bolts. And then inside here, I don't know if you can see that too well, it's going to be another nut there. It's also 10mm. You're going to run it through there. This is the wiring I left some slack to when I open and close the trunk. I want to be, pulling on the wire and stuff. But it's a pretty easy install. Took maybe 30 minutes each side. Just make sure all your connections are where they're supposed to. And all you do is line up these two pins. Just push it in a little bit, and then you just put your two screwdriver bolts back into place, tighten everything up, and you're good to go.